How to fix Teams cannot screen share issue. First things first, you have to start by granting screen recording permissions to your Teams in your operating system security settings. So what you can do is, first of all, go ahead and open your device's native setting application. Once you open it, all you have to do is now go ahead and then tap on the search bar at the top and search for applications. Once you're here, you simply have to tap on the search bar at the top right corner once again, then search for Teams application. Once you find it, scroll down until you head to the advanced option. You'll find the display over other applications. Go ahead and tap on this and make sure that this feature is turned on. Want to do this, now you simply have to go ahead and launch the Teams application on your device and then join a meeting or simply initiate a new one. Now, once you're here within the meeting panel, tap on the three-dotted menu icon from the bottom navigation bar. You'll find the share option over here. Go ahead and tap on this. Then tap on the share screen, select the one app option or the entire screen. Want to do this, go ahead and tap share screen and your problem should be fixed.